Rahim, good morning, 10th class. Hope you are all fine. We have started eye, human eye. In our previous lesson, we have discussed is different layers. Okay, I hope you have learned that. As you know, human eye is basically made up of three layers. Outer layer is sclera, inner layer is choroid, and its innermost layer is retina. We have discussed detail of these three layers in our previous lesson. Okay, we have discussed up to retina what is and there are different points for retina like fovea and blind spots. These are the different points on retina. Okay, now we will discuss next is structure, which is aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Aqueous humor, basically this iris divided the eye into two portions. Okay, aqueous humor is present between cornea and iris, and it's basically it is a clear fluid is present between iris and cornea. Okay, and behind this iris and retina there is a vitreous humor. Okay, vitreous humor basically is a jelly like fluid, and it is present between iris and retina. This all portion comprises the vitreous humor. Okay, सारा portion जो है vitreous humor में आ जाता है. Okay, and it basically it helps and maintain the shape of the eye and suspends the delicate lens in it. Okay, इसमें lens भी present होता है and different portions जो हैं they are also present in this vitreous humor. Okay, so this is the basic structure of eye. It have three layers. It has aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Okay, and there is also a optic nerve which generate impulse, and then vision is produced, and so you can see different objects. Okay, how now the you can see objects? First of all, light from object enter eye and is refracted when it passes through the cornea. So first of all, it refracted when it passes through cornea, and then into aqueous humor, and then into lens, and then into vitreous humor, and then on retina basically image is formed. Okay, on it lens basically focus light on retina. As a result, the image falls on retina. Images form on retina. Then these rods and cone which is present on the retina, they generate nerve impulse in the optic nerve. This is optic nerve, and then these impulses are then carried to the brain, and which makes the sensation of vision. So that's how you can see different objects through your eye. Okay, so there are different structures of eyes, and now there are different pigments. They are also present in rods and cones. Okay, rods contain a pigment which is known as rhodopsin. Okay, the pigment which is present in rod is the rhodopsin. When light fall on rhodopsin, it breaks for generating a nerve impulse. Okay, and in the absence of light, this the breakdown products are again converted into rhodopsin. जब लाइट नहीं होगी, rhodopsin जो है वो उसके जो प्रोडक्ट ब्रेकडाउन हुए थे वो दोबारा से rhodopsin में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, और जब लाइट इसके ऊपर पड़ती है, फॉल होती है, then it break downs. Okay, body synthesize rhodopsin from vitamin A. Okay, we have discussed in our previous class that vitamin A is essential for vision. That's because for rhodopsin, vitamin A is very important, and if there is deficiency of vitamin A, it causes a poor vision, okay, and poor night vision basically, and they result in night blindness. So if there is a deficiency of vitamin A, then it results in a night blindness, okay. The next pigment which is present in corn is the rhodopsin. Okay, rhodopsin is the pigment which is present in the cones, and they are basically three main types of cones, and these are all are specific for synthesizing a specific rhodopsin. Okay, three cones हैं और they are different. They are important for synthesizing different rhodopsins, for example, and each cone is important for recognizing different primary colors. Three primary colors are red, green, and okay, red, green, and blue. These are the three primary colors, and which is visualized by this rhodopsin. Okay, if a person, any type of cone is not working well, then there is difficult to recognizing the color. So if there is any of the cone is absent, then you can not recognize from three colors. These you cannot differentiate between three colors. So it results in color blindness. If there is deficiency of any cone, then it results in color blindness, and it's a basically genetic problem. So these are the different pigments which are present in rods and cones. In rods there is rhodopsin, and in cone it is rhodopsin, and if there is deficiency of these rhodopsin deficiency result in night blindness, and rhodopsin deficiency result in color blindness. Okay, it's very important regarding people. For example, pilot, they do not have these disease. For example, color blindness जो है pilot को नहीं होना चाहिए. For example, क्योंकि इस color vision is very important for recognizing different aircraft position, lights, light gun signals, airport beacons, approach slope indicators, so especially at night. So these are different things which are important for our pilot to recognize in night. So it's very important that pilot should not suffer from color blindness. Okay. Pilot must have ability to perceive these colors necessary to save the performance of his or her duties. Okay, so these are the important things regarding the eye. Okay, I hope you learn this, and from today it's Allah Hafiz.